and welcome to another video. As you can notice from title already, I have here the Delfino, okay? And in the same laptop I have installed Delphi and Autocom software because there are people who are saying one is faster, another one is better, and so far, okay? I will start first with Delphi. I will plug this one, we give a full scan on the car, and we'll see which one perform better on this car. It's a Audi A6 2006. This will be fair comparing because both of the software they are installed on the same laptop. I mean, is no difference between RAM, processor, and all of this stuff. It's the same Windows. As I said, it's on the same laptop. Unfortunately, I cannot start both of the programmers in the same time because when you run the Delphi, you cannot run Autocom and opposite. But we start one after each other. I will plug this on the car. We'll make a scan and we see which one perform better. Okay, and I have the diagnostic connected. Before to start the program, what I want to tell you is to use the original one. The product is very good. I have pleasure to work with this original Delphi from a friend of mine, and I was really surprised. I really like it how fast it works. It was on the Windows tablet. It's excellent tool, okay? Before to go forward and to start the software and scan the car, what I want to tell you is please don't request support from me. Like send me the image to repairing my shitty clones to make this software, or to help me with updating the firmware of this software, for example, or like, I don't know, requesting the firmware to update this module. I do have another different version than what the Chinese people send you, and I'm quite happy with this one, how it works, and you will see how it performs. It's good performance, but I don't send you, and I don't want to help you anymore because I help a lot of people, you know. I send over 2,000 mails, I believe, in 2 years. And look on my views on the videos. After 2-3 weeks, I post a video and I have only 500 views. These are my real subscribers. It is really bad because I don't know which one it is, because if he need help, now for example, I'm not able to help anymore because as I said, I don't send for no one emails. If you ask me something related with the software, or you have problem with something else to explain you, or with diagnostic tools, yes, with pleasure. But if you request help from me, like, please help me repairing my shitty clone, please help me with this, Xproc doesn't work, CarProc doesn't work, I don't care anymore. In the last 2 years, I spent a lot of time helping you. And what I have in exchange? Nothing. You should only press this fucking button with like and also subscribe to the channel. I never request in one of my videos. I have around, I believe, 180 videos at this moment. And I never request from you share, like, subscribe, and all of these shitty things. I don't like it, but you should make for yourself. I mean, this is the way how you can show respect for somebody else, you know? If you treat me like, I don't know, like a garbage, why I should expend the time for you? Okay? Because YouTube, it will bring you money if you have views, not subscribers, and all of this stuff. I didn't start this channel to make money with YouTube, but also I don't want to expend my time for nothing, you know? Because time is money. I can work in another car or in different cars, win my money. Why I should expend the time for free? It is logical. Or if I'm too stupid, let me a comment below. I will make also different videos and I will speak about these things separately, okay? I don't want to make it here on this video. It's just I want to be clear. I don't send any more support for these clones, okay? It doesn't matter which clones they are, okay? Okay, let's now start the software. We started first with Delphi. The software is 2021, okay, .0b or 10b. I will start the car. Then in this way we have better battery. Okay, and I will press the automatically button here to identify the VIN on the car. On the previous software it have bugs and it doesn't want to run. Let's see if they improve or not. You notice also over here the relays are clicking. I forgot to tell you, this car is Audi A6 2006 or 7 2006. Okay, we do have already the VIN number. It was quite fast. It's a 3-liter diesel. You can do it also manually, or you can do it from here. I test this software. What can I tell you? It is the active test now it works. You can activate different things on the car, at least on the comfort modules it works perfect. On this car, when you go on the engine, you don't have so many things and it doesn't activate it. I don't know from which reason it doesn't work, just doesn't work. But I try it on the newer cars, 2012, 2016. I do have different videos on the internet, on the YouTube channel. You can look there and you will see also the older version of this software, it was able to activate the components. Then also this version will be able to activate it, but on this car you don't have many things to activate. Also, if I use Launch or Bosch or all of these things, you don't have so many things, you know, to try it here. We go now for full scan. Comparing with Autocom, I don't know, it's something missing here. You'll see after that what I mean. Okay, engine not running. I leave the engine to run because on Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda nothing happens. You can also delete the errors. If you have errors, you can delete them. When engine running, nothing happens. And maybe you'll ask for more, I know, because I was stupid enough to try this. Not one time, and at least 100 times, and Audi doesn't have problem. If you try this with different cars like French car, Peugeot, Renault, or let's say also BMW, the engine stopped running, you know. It shut down automatically, the engine. Okay, let's proceed to scan this car and let's see how fast it is. Delfino. I know there are people who like more Delphi than Autocom on the software because they are used to have this software, and I agree with them. It's quite simple. It will be much interesting if I will use tablet instead of the laptop, but I said this will be a great comparing because both of the software, they are in the same laptop, and the laptop will show us the different performance if the one of the software is better or not, you know. Now also depends which kind of clone you are using, like there are 10 versions of these clones. It can be slower, it can be faster. For today I use the USB cable, I don't want to make it with Bluetooth, then we have a faster connection with the car. On multifunction modules, it needs much longer time because this car I have a lot of modules. On the comments below you can tell me also which one you prefer more, Autocom or Delphi, which software do you like it more. I will tell you also on the end of the video which one I will prefer more. I believe it will be interesting. I want to ask you if what do you believe if I bring you original Delphi against the clone and see how they perform? I will ask that guy to give me the diagnostic for 1-2 days and to have chance to try it on the cars, but I will plug on the newer cars. The next video what will be done for me, it is on BMW 7 Series 2019 G Series, and I will use also Delphi and Autocom, and you will see how fast it is, because that car have a lot of modules and we must to see if this diagnostic is still up to date, if it's able to perform or not. Okay, the scanning it was finished. not bad. We have everywhere problem, not on the engine, but it was quite good. We go back. I want to go back all on these things. What I like it, and we go back and I'll show BMK motor. It is now when you go on live data, it performs much better. I mean, before, I remember when I pressed the button to see the live data, it was quite slow and he have a problem keeping the step with me. Now I press the button and look how fast it's reacting. It's one after each other. It doesn't stop and it doesn't shut down the software. Okay. As I said, I don't have so many things to show you because, let's say on this case, it have only 3 options. Let's go back and let's go take another module. Let's say multifunction, this one, and we take the central electronical. This car have 2 comfort modules, 1 and 2. One is here on the dash and one is down on the carpet on the driver's side. What we can do here, okay, we can code the rain light sensor. I don't believe it works. I never tried, but I will try it when I will have chance to try this option. But let's go on and activate actually the activation test. Hazard light, it doesn't work. I don't know from which reason. But another ones, all of them, they are working. Believe me or not, I was out of the car. All of them, they are working. It's not dark outside to show you, but you can try for yourself. I have no reason to lie, okay? All these options from here are working. Okay. We go back. We go to main menu. It's simple like all the time. Delphi, it have it a simple menu. Maybe this was the reason why so many people like Delphi. All of the mechanical people start with Delphi, or maybe not all of them, but 90% from us start with Delphi. This is also the reason why maybe we like it, to have this diagnostic. It's simple to use, it's very good, it's interesting. I don't know, it's just simple. It's also a child who have over 10 years, 12 years, it will be able to diagnose the car with this one. It's really simple. Comparing with another Windows softwares for diagnostic, this is perfect. I prefer to use original tools. I know there are people there who cannot expend money, a lot of money buying the tool, and I understand. And this is also the reason why I make these videos, because I have subscribers from everywhere, and you have countries where the people win 50 euro all the month, and I understand they will never have this opportunity to buy a diagnostic. Like, let's say for example Bosch, it's 8,000–9,000 euro. If you have your salary 50 euro on month, I understand why you buy these clones, but at least when you want to buy these clones, don't buy with 20–30 euro. That clone will never work, and you are sending me message how I can improve. You send me picture, I want to help you, but I see it's a very bad clone. You will never can improve that clone because the PCB on that clone, it's shit, okay? Just save little bit more money, and if you buy at least one who will cost you around 100 euro with single board with all these components inside. You have 2 versions of that one. Buy the one who have the Bluetooth chip bigger. They will be much better if you want to connect with Bluetooth, and also the components that better. Okay, I close this one. As I said, we close this one. And we start the Autocom. In my opinion, Autocom give you much more information comparing with Delphi, the software himself, the image, the first impression, it is like it's more professional. I don't know. Not because of the design, because I don't know, just I have this feeling. Okay, we press also here on automatic reconnection. You see I have the history here. Before, when I used the Autocom, when I pressed VIN button over here for automatically readings, it stays like that, and when I press with the mouse clicking 2 times, and it show me the VIN in the older software. But now you see it goes automatically, and this is what I said before, looks much more professional. Look, for example, it show you where the OBD it is. Also in the Delphi, I forget to tell you, it have this option there, or to show you, but here you'll have straight connection. I mean, it's much easier. You have the system here, all of them, and when you go for the engine, let's say, okay, where it's the engine, it will show you from the beginning of the special function what it's able and what he can do for you to on the activation menu. When we go back to the engine, let's say we take the 2 liters. You'll notice on 2 liters you have much more options. Okay, it depends from the car to car, but now we go back because our car, it is this one. And we should make a complete reading of this car. I will press the button to scan all these modules. We go here, scan 3 minutes. Engine not running. Yes, engine is running because I'm stupid. You should follow all these things, because if you don't do it like that, you can have big risk. But as I said, from my experience, nothing happens till now. Okay, and it's finished. Comparing with Delphi, doesn't show us. Let's say, for example, we go here on Central Electronical, on the information. What is really nicer to have this information over here. You can go from here on multifunction, and we take the first one. Same options, you have it. And again, when you start here, you will have the same functionality. And yes, all of them are working. Now let's go back. And we go on engine. You see, it is really much useful and much more information showing you here. This is our engine. And you can go on to see the errors, or you can go just straight on here. And all of them, they will start on the same page like before, but it's not necessary to press the button for live data, which we go automatically inside. Okay, make it also list to be fair comparing, and I will start to press the button. It's responding quite good. Of course, don't do it like me, take your time, be patient. It is not very important to be fast, it's important to have details and to find your problem, okay? I make this because I know that there are a lot of subscribers there who are asking me which one is faster and what happens if I do this or another things, and I try to cover all of these questions, you know. Good, I go back now. Okay, if you'll ask me, I will prefer much more Autocom because it shows us more information comparing with Delphi. The interface is different. I like more. The performance of these two scanners, they are the same. I mean, Delphi is not better than Autocom and Autocom not better than Delphi. Just depends which one you like more and which one you like to use it, okay? That's it for this video. Because this car is very old, there's not so much to show you. I will take, as I said in the next video, 7 Series 2019, and we will play a little bit more over there, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.